Welcome back. This video will show you how to see your monthly updates at a project level. So you'll remember in the previous video, we were here at a global level under the monthly schedule updates. Now we will click on the project number itself and allow the system to take us to the project level. The first screen you'll see is the project info screen. Go ahead and collapse this by clicking on the blue line. That'll pull the schedule module up to the top so you have less scrolling. Now this looks very similar with similar information and filters as the global view. So here it shows you the project number and the description along with all of the filters that you've seen at the global level. You can also at the project level have the ability to filter out only your activities. Clicking here and it'll give you the same list of activities you've seen at the global level that only apply to you. By unchecking it, you'll see the activities for yours as well as everyone else in the project. You can also see show only the activities with pending request or with negative float. A bonus of viewing at the project level is the ability to add a new activity. So we'll scroll past these that are already assigned, and these show the activities that we inputted at a global level are shown here at the project level as well. We scroll down, and here's where you have the ability to request a new activity. Simply click at Request New Activity, give us a description of what you would like to call it, your start and your finish, and a request description. Explain to us why you need this. Maybe the scope has changed or you have an extra step you would like to incorporate. Also at the project level, you have the benefit of seeing previous requests that have been completed. You can sort this list by activity, submitted date, the start date, the finish date, duration, and comments. You can also see who the requester of each of these activities were as well. The entry of schedule updates, possible errors, and buttons are exactly the same for the project level as the global level.